Hello everybody, I am DexRox. Today we are doing another tutorial. Now, my microphone finally works. Because, well, yeah, my parents needed, well, our family needed to do a meet for Christmas on our other family. So, I couldn't use a microphone, so I had to do tutorials without microphones. Do you guys like this? Want to see it? Want to see it? Ready? We're not making this today, no. You can find this out there at other places. That's not here. But anyways, do you guys like this? Look at it. Even has a cutter. Look, you can make rainbows with it. Anyways, so today, everybody, we are going to be doing, well, first, let me destroy all of this. We are going to be doing a, okay, where is it? Where is it? Not cutter, but where is it? I know I put it somewhere. What is it? Okay, I know. What's this? Yeah. Okay, that's good. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make my drone. My drone. Let me show you. This is best for computer players, okay? Mobile players, Xbox players, I think you guys know what I'm talking about, are really tough. So, if you guys use this, if you guys use PC, something like that, like a laptop or a computer, this will work, okay? So, first, what we're going to be starting with is not this, these two. So you need two, let's see, jet engines, regular jet engines. And you got to jet engines, a jet engine, and as you can see, you'll be needing to go these, like that. Next, you'll be needing to get a regular block. There. And there. So, then you can see that you have these guys. So, actually, destroy all this. My bad, we're not doing that. We are gonna do the top first. So, right here, let's get on here, you could see that this is a regular block, that's a regular block. So you need to go like this. 1, 2, 3. So you gotta go 3 blocks far. 7 blocks far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. I didn't know if I skipped 3 or something. Did I? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, no, I didn't. And after you did that cool 7, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You, on each end, you will need to be putting a propeller. Not propeller blade, a regular propeller. A propeller? A propeller. A propeller engine, a regular one. Facing them upwards, like this. Doesn't matter which way, if it's that way or this way, it doesn't matter. After that, you'll need to be, okay, I need to get up here again. After that, 7, you need to 1, 2, 3, that's normal. 4, 7 again. Okay, so we need another 7 going down the middle. So, like this. Find where the middle is. Make it like that. Like that. Like this. Now, same like we did last time. Propeller. propeller engine, regular one, and there. That's what we got so far. And then, after that, after you've done your nice cool cross, you want to do, 3, like a square then. So, let's say like this. Boom, 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 square. So, that's pretty much done with the base. Next, all we gotta do is add a propeller. Oh, sorry, what is that? What is this? Oh wait, I'm done. Okay, so first thing what we're gonna do is make it so we need to get a, where is it? Oh, right here. Wing panel, regular one. You want to go like this. Then right here, add that. Next, this, that. And then, good. Next, we need to add one going like this. You gotta get a control surface like that. You got to place it right here, right there, right there, right there, and right there. So, if you've done this, you're really getting the stuffs, the majiggies. I'm gonna lift it up a few. Then right here, you see that we have these guys, and then that, we won't worry about that yet. Actually, you could place that right now if you wanted. And then, so we have right here, they're going that way. Why are they going that way? I'm not sure. I guess you put it there like that, though. Then you want to get these. Where are they? Right here. Jet engine, a regular one, going like this. So, right here, we need to add it. Okay, so we got that. Push that there. Then this here. Then the same line. We need to add. Okay. We need to add 3 blocks away from the front. So 1, 2, 3. Bang. Bang. See? Wasn't that hard. Next, we gotta add your small landing gear right here. Also, this is the 3rd design I ever made, so it's a little crappy. But there, and then let's destroy all of this. You don't need this anymore. I don't need it. So this isn't the regular drone. Say that. Don't delete any of your stuff. And then after you've done that, well, I do that. Sorry, I'm on this. You want to get your main pilot seat, which is right here. Almost called a main pilot seat, like I did in my last video. Actually, I didn't say it in the last video because I had no. Oh, I said it, but I forgot that my microphone wasn't working. So, yep. I can't really get up on my. There. Done. Ready to test it out? And voila. After you get a little flippy, it should start working. There. She needs a little stir. And I hope you like this tutorial. If it was helpful, please leave a like, and if it was even like a lot of helpful and you like playing around with this drone, subscribe. Or if you don't want to subscribe and you still like it, that's okay. I just want you guys to subscribe because I have 16 subscribers. Sad. But I hope you liked this, and I'll see you in the next Xbox video. Goodbye.